This is proof that Yamahas are not shit. I'm actually surprised at the start because there's no gas in there. We have dropped something inside of our gas tank. Yep, can't see nothing in there, but... That didn't work, so we're going to have to get something. Use this to try to. Got gas now. That's not good. Oh, it came out with it, yes. This is what was in there. Yeah, look at that. Sneaky little, yeah, this ain't the stuff we like in our tank. But we got it, and now we can successfully start the bike and put gas in it. If we look at this, it is quite dirty there. Because I didn't think about taking the tank off to clean. Because that's not something I usually do, but it's quite easy, so we might start doing it. But yeah, just got the bars on too. Should have made a video about that, but no, we didn't.